Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Once again, I'm back with some more crypto news / information. If you could give me a like and subscribe, that would be most appreciated. Help me grow the channel. Looking at the market as a whole, the market cap, we're down 2.22% over the last 24 hours. We're at $1.71 trillion, guys. Looking at Bitcoin, it's over the last 24 hours, it's down 0.79%. Ethereum's down 1%. We got Solana, that is down at 5%. Over the last 7 days, it's down 13%. We got some stuff to talk about Solana. XRP is down 3.39%. We got ApeCoin. What was that? ApeCoin's down 25%, guys. I did mention yesterday that it was going to reverse, and lo and behold, that's what's happened. Hopefully you guys are taking some profits. But yeah, overall the markets are down, guys. Markets are down. Looking at the charts, you can see, like I said in the forecast yesterday, that we're going to close with this bearish engulfing on a monthly, and that's what has happened. We're waiting for the weekly to close now. But I mean, I do believe that we're going to be heading down, guys. We're going to be potentially moving back down towards 30k. I mean, we are still in a bit of a range on the monthly, so there is a possibility that we could move back up into this area, which lines up with precisely what I've been saying before. We could see a bounce back up to 45k and then a move back down to 30. Something like that could potentially play out for Bitcoin. One of the reasons why the markets are so bearish is that we have FOMC meeting next week, and Jerome Powell is likely to raise rates, do a hike rate of 50 basis points. Investors will focus on US Central Bank this Wednesday as Federal Reserve policymakers are expected to raise the benchmark interest rate aggressively. The top US stock indexes saw significant losses at the end of the week, and the Nasdaq Composite saw its worst 4-month starting performance since 1971. Crypto markets have had a rough week as well, as the crypto economy has shed 8.99% against the US dollar since April 25th, dropping from 1.967 trillion to 1.79 trillion. Fed expected to raise benchmark interest rate aggressively to, or potentially to, 50 basis points, and also QE tightening announcement. So we got kind of a double whammy next week. This is why the markets are, they're selling off now. The people are getting ahead of the curve, getting out of the markets early. Now we got Solana. This is one of the reasons why Solana has been tanking, guys. Solana has suffered 7 hours of downtime after its mainnet bet fell out of consensus. The global validator community has already managed to bring the network back online, successfully completing a cluster restart at 3 a.m. UTC. Ethereum Killer suffered the outage due to an enormous number of inbound transactions clogging up the network. The network struggled to process a record-breaking 100 gigabits of data per second, according to a Twitter post. See, this just goes to show, guys, that a lot of these platforms are still in their infancy. We're still in a speculative market. Just know that we're still early, guys. So just be careful with your investments. Now we've got BNY Mellon are moving into the Asian markets. As you can see here, Blockchain Association Singapore today announced global financial institution BNY Mellon has come on board as a strategic collaborator. With the signing of a memorandum of understanding, BNY Mellon will cooperate to advance the blockchain ecosystem, driving global cooperation regarding institutional digital assets and decentralized finance. BAS and BNY Mellon will seek collaboration opportunities and share expertise with the wider ecosystem to facilitate mutual understanding of the constantly growing digital asset and DeFi landscape. Now, I mentioned before about BNY Mellon. They are part of the big boy club, yeah. They've got a lot. They got like over 10 trillion in or in assets or on the custody. I think it's 10 trillion or 40 trillion, something like that. So this is something big to keep your eye on, guys. Now we've got the digital yuan making more strides. Shenzhen to give away 15 million yuan in digital RMB red packets to local residents. The district will give away 15 million yuan, which is equivalent to 2.29 million in digital yuan or RMB to local residents this Friday. The latest move to boost consumption amid the new round of Omicron flare-ups while promoting the use of digital currency. According to the local government, the 15 million yuan worth of digital currency will be separated into 130,000 red packets and will be given away by raffle via WeChat payment. Local residents can join the raffle by registering from Monday, with lots drawn on Thursday. It's worth noting that this is the first time that the issuance of digital yuan has included all 8 pilot banks and a range of sectors including restaurants and supermarkets. Consumers can spend the red packets across nearly 5,000 stores in the district with no minimum payment requirement. Now there you have it, guys. You have UBI getting rolled out in China with the digital yuan. This is what's coming for the West. Yeah, this is what's coming, guys. Make sure you're paying attention. Next, this is a warning, guys. Smartphone text prediction guesses crypto holders seed phrase. So next time you're entering your seed phrase on your phone, guys, just be careful, because the predictive texting could store your seed phrase on the phone, and that could possibly, if someone could get their hands on your phone, then they could potentially get access to your seed phrase and get access to your funds on your private keys or your wallet, whatever you're using. So make sure to be careful to maybe not use your phone, or see if you can turn off predictive texting, something like that. But last up, we got Elon Musk believes Dogecoin could solve Twitter's spam bot problem. Now, like I said before, I knew that Elon was going to somehow implement Doge into Twitter. He was either going to be tweeting about it every day or whatever he was going to do, try to pump it up, or he was going to try to implement or do something with it. In a recent tweet, Tesla CEO Elon Musk opined that solving Twitter's spam problem can be solved with the help of Dogecoin, the largest cryptocurrency. The idea that caught Musk's attention was originally suggested by a fellow billionaire, Mark Cuban. Cuban proposed adding an optimistic roll-up to Dogecoin. Every Twitter user would be required to put up 1 Doge for unlimited posts. Real humans would be able to receive the spammer's token after successfully contesting his or her post. Conversely, one would end up losing his or her Doge tokens if they falsely label some tweets as spam. Interesting. But like I said, guys, Elon is all about Doge, so this could possibly be something that's going to get implemented into Twitter. But you never know. We see how that unfolds. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you have a great end to your weekend, and I'm gonna get back to you guys next week, or just to say it's tomorrow, yeah. Alright, so with that being said, peace out. If you're interested in staying up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post new videos every day and you don't want to miss out. Just click the subscribe button on my channel page and you'll be all set. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks again for your support, and I can't wait to keep bringing you new and exciting content.